Hello, ATS programming roadmap. Push F10, F9 for a few seconds until the message prog appears on the display. The yellow LED blinks. First parameter is P0, that is the mains contactor bounce delay timer. Default is 5 seconds. You can put 3 seconds. Next parameter, parameter P1, that is the mains failure delay. Default is 5 seconds. You can put 4 seconds. Next parameter, P2, that is mains restore time. That is 5 seconds. You can put 6 seconds. Now move to parameter 23. You can push and hold the button. When you are closer one by one, P22, P23. Default is 15 seconds. This is the warm-up time. Let's put to 8 seconds. Next one, P24, is cooling down time. 15 second default, put to 8 seconds. To choose another parameters, push F8, F9. Let's move, for example, to P35. That is the emergency switch. To see the default status, push F1. Default is normally closed. You can flip to normally open. Let's return back to normally closed. To save the settings, push and hold F10 and F9 for a few seconds until the message save appears on the display. Very well done.